Today, we are in Boston's South End neighborhood, walking through a $3 million luxury condo at the Quinn residences. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,551 square foot home in a brand new, full-service amenity building in one of the most popular and trending places to live in Boston. We are going to walk through this home, discussing features, finishes, amenities, pricing, and location. If you're new to this channel, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a residential real estate advisor here in Boston, Massachusetts. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you'd like to come see this home in person, have questions about Boston, or making your move, feel free to message or call me anytime. My contact information is here on screen and in the video description below. We are on the 14th floor at the Quinn Residences, which is the newest addition to the SOWA District, or South of Washington Street, sub-neighborhood of Boston's South End. This home features striking views of the Back Bay skyline and surrounding area. The floor-to-ceiling operable window panel ensures the space is always flooded with natural light. Looking at the chef-grade kitchen, which is one of the best packages I've seen in a new construction Boston home. No cost was spared in this design, using only the highest quality materials and finishes. The flooring is the same as the dining and living area. Countertops are crafted from natural marble stone in a glorious white hue, showcasing subtle veining for added character. With a 3-centimeter thickness and a honed finish, they exude understated elegance and a smooth, matte texture. The backsplash mirrors the countertops, featuring the same glorious white natural marble and finish. The kitchen island is a generous size and versatile, accommodating seating for quick meals, drinks, or cooking preparation. A Newport brass faucet with a polished chrome finish completes the island's look. All cabinetry throughout is soft close, with under-mounted LED lighting to illuminate the space. The double-stacked, frameless upper cabinets have a white high-gloss finish with flat panel doors. The lower cabinets are custom-crafted from rift swan wood, featuring a rich stained finish. With a full suite of Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, the kitchen offers top-tier performance and a seamless blend of luxury and functionality, integrating beautifully with the countertops and custom cabinetry. In terms of specs, we have a 36-inch stainless steel 5-burner Wolf gas cooktop, which is vented out. A Wolf M-Series contemporary double-wall oven provides added convenience and maximum cooking capacity. Beneath the island is a 24-inch Wolf drawer microwave. A Sub-Zero built-in over and under refrigerator and freezer panel, which matches the cabinetry, provides plenty of storage space. Included as well is a paneled, tall Sub-Zero wine cooler, which also matches the cabinetry. Briefly looking at the views again, this home offers a breathtaking view facing west. You'll enjoy sweeping views of the Back Bay skyline and the tree-lined streets of the South End, which are particularly stunning at sunset when the golden light reflects off the buildings. The main living space of this home is 15 by 22 feet in size and is an entertainer's dream, with plenty of space to comfortably host large gatherings of friends and family. In the living and dining room, you have 5-inch European white oak engineered flooring with glacier white coloring. The foyer of this home has the powder room or half bathroom. The flooring is Ella Gray marble with honed finish. A Cullacutta quartz vanity with brushed brass frame and mirror tie this powder room together, delivering a luxurious experience for guests. With an open concept floor plan, this unit could be configured in numerous ways. While this home is only 1,551 square feet, the layout is extremely functional and makes the best use of the square footage, ensuring a sophisticated living experience. The living room kitchen area is great for dining, hosting guests, or relaxing after a long day, and enjoying the excellent views at night of the Boston cityscape. Stepping into the first bedroom, which measures 8 by 12 feet facing west. Currently set up as a home office, this room features a large closet and could comfortably fit a full or queen-size bed with a chair or dresser. This space could also be utilized as a media room, a guest bedroom, or a library. As you may have noticed, this unit features recessed lighting throughout with systems by Lutron. The home is equipped with Lutron Caseta smart lighting, a cutting-edge system that provides exceptional convenience and seamless integration with other smart home technologies. You can control the lighting remotely via the smartphone app, wall-mounted dimmers, or voice commands using popular assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. It also works flawlessly with smart thermostats, shades, and even security systems, allowing you to create customized scenes with a single touch. Stepping into the primary bedroom suite, which features the same views as seen from the living area. A king or queen-size bed fits comfortably, with 2 nightstands and a dresser. There are 2 closets, including a custom-built walk-in closet. For some background on this building, the Quinn was built ground up and completed in 2021, located at 380 Harrison Avenue, designed by the world-famous firm, Robert A. M. Stern Architects. The building features 101 condos, 172 rental units, and 8,500 square feet of retail space on the lower floors. This development is a full-service amenity building with rich-toned brick and stone on the lower levels, while the upper floors incorporate expansive stretches of glass curtain wall for a contemporary update. Robert A. M. Stern Architects wanted to merge the South End's history with modern design, taking inspiration from the neighborhood's blend of Victorian row houses and industrial buildings, infusing these elements into every detail. This is one of 7 large-scale condo buildings in the south of Washington section of Boston's South End. It is the newest development to be completed in this area and the most exclusive. The designer envisioned these homes to make the most of space, light, and views. Whether working from home or watching the sunset over the Back Bay, residents reap the benefits of this consideration and craftsmanship. The primary suite features an ensuite bathroom with porcelain tile heated floors, walk-in glass shower, a soaking tub, and a dual quartz organic white polished vanity. Residence 14H is priced at $2,999,000 with a monthly condo fee of $2,661. This fee includes heat, hot water, gas, water, insurance, security, management, and all amenity spaces. There are other units available at the Quinn for sale, ranging from studio to 4-bedroom layouts with prices between $700,000 and $6.2 million. At the time of this filming, the homes here are 90% sold out. There are only 2 units available at the Quinn, which have this distinctive floor plan and layout. The home we're in now on the 14th floor, and one on the penthouse level. Throughout the home, interior doors are solid core, with valley and valley lever handles in either a satin or chrome finish. The interior trim features a 7-inch 2-tiered baseboard crafted from painted wood, adding depth to the space. The Quinn is a special development as it has the most amenities out of all the full-service buildings in the South End, with almost 20,000 square feet of spaces. It is home to the most expensive condo ever sold in the South End neighborhood. 2 floors beneath us, Unit 12J with a massive private terrace, sold in 2022 for a record-breaking $7.3 million. The Quinn is located in the bustling South End neighborhood of Boston, which is known for its Victorian-style brick row houses, tree-lined streets, and vibrant arts and culture scene. The South End is situated in the southern part of Boston, just south of Back Bay and east of Roxbury. This luxury building is near several other South End developments like 100 Shawmut, The Lucas, and Sepia at Ink Block, among several others. The neighborhood is closest to South Boston and Seaport, but also Bay Village, Midtown, and the Back Bay. A huge Whole Foods grocery store is seconds away just down Harrison Ave. In bustling Tremont Street with fine dining isn't far, just a few blocks in the other direction. This building is ideal for those working in and around downtown Boston and is roughly 15 minutes walking distance to the center of the city. The neighborhood has a diverse mix of residents, including young professionals, families, and retirees. The South End has a slightly younger population, with a median age of 32 years old. According to Niche, about 60% of residents have a bachelor's degree or higher. The South End is home to several medical facilities, including Boston Medical Center, which is one of the largest hospitals in New England. The neighborhood also has a growing innovation district, with several biotech and life science companies setting up shop in the area. This neighborhood is also home to a thriving restaurant scene, with numerous high-end dining options as well as more casual eateries. Being well connected to public transportation, with easy access to the Orange Line and Silver Line, makes it highly convenient for residents to travel around Boston. The Quinn has some of the best bars, cafes, and eateries within a 5-minute walking distance. Included with the H-line units at the Quinn, this home also has a Calcutta gas fireplace with natural stone surround. The fireplace combines elegance and warmth in perfect harmony. Its sleek design and refined finish elevate the room's aesthetic, while its soft, inviting glow creates a cozy ambience that's perfect for relaxing evenings or intimate gatherings. The Quinn redefines urban living with a seamless blend of luxury, hospitality-driven services, and thoughtfully curated amenities designed to enhance every aspect of your lifestyle. For health and wellness, residents enjoy premier fitness facilities, including an Equinox-designed gym, equipped with state-of-the-art cardio and weightlifting machines, a bouldering wall, a squash and half basketball court, and flexible studio spaces. An indoor lap pool, complete with poolside chairs, a sauna, lockers, and showers, offers a rejuvenating retreat. Residents can also request personal trainers or reserve SoulCycle bicycles for a customized fitness experience. Exclusive amenities enhance everyday life, providing both convenience and indulgence. The rooftop terrace, designed for entertainment, features covered lounge areas, gas grills, fire pits, and a wet bar. The North Lounge offers an elegant private dining space, while the West Lounge is ideal for social gatherings. Additional serene and sophisticated spaces include a library and condo gallery, perfect for relaxation or intimate get-togethers. For pet owners, Dog City, powered by Boston's best dog walkers, delivers top-tier pet care, including an on-site playroom, grooming and washing stations, and daycare services with pickup and drop-off options. The Quinn offers an array of thoughtfully designed spaces for leisure and entertainment. Residents can enjoy the work lounge, library lounge, and dining or party lounges, each equipped with catering and prep kitchens, and available for private reservations. A sports and billiards room and game room provide additional options for recreation, while families will appreciate the dedicated children's playroom. The Quinn delivers an effortless luxury living experience with a dedicated 24-hour concierge, doorman, and on-site maintenance team. Lifestyle coordinators assist with everything from housekeeping and interior design consultations to home technology support and personalized services, such as private chefs and hair and makeup professionals. Additional conveniences include grocery delivery, floral arrangements, garment care, transportation assistance, and VIP event coordination. Every detail at the Quinn has been meticulously crafted to provide an extraordinary living experience where luxury, convenience, and hospitality come together to create a truly elevated urban lifestyle. Overall, this home is a great option for those wanting to live in a highly central location with quick access to everything in Boston. This full-service, amenity-filled building affords quick access to dozens of high-end shops, restaurants, entertainment, and more. Residents have everything they need just steps away. Again, if you're looking to make a move in Boston, whether you already live here or are relocating, please message or call me anytime. Offering a white glove, concierge-level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the one we looked at today. However, I do work in all price points. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about the property in the comments below, and stay tuned for more informational videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews.